What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I got me something pretty different today. It's a cool little product that is kind of a tech product. So I want to unbox this in front of you. This is my first time seeing it. I did pay this with my own money, and I thought it was cool to show you guys in front of the camera. So let's do it. Right now is September. It's October is next month, and already I'm seeing a bunch of Halloween stuff propping up at the grocery store. Yeah, they're ready for Halloween already because, you know, once Halloween hits, they're gonna have Christmas stuff up, right? So that's why they're doing it a month ahead of time. This product right here is pretty darn unique. I've seen this like once or twice, but then when it pops up on Amazon on my recommended, I go, you know what? I've got to get this just to show you guys. They literally just added these bags in here for nothing. This is crazy. Look at this. Isn't this cool? What, huh? So there's a bag of accessory here. I'll look into that in a little bit. But let's just... all these bags back here. They literally just dropped tons of bags inside here just to stuff it. Wow. Hope there's nothing in there. Wow, this looks cool. Guys, it looks as cool as it is in real life as it is in picture. Very shiny and beautiful, and obviously if you're looking at this, you know that it lights up. Hey, with this, wow. And look, the whole like Matrix slash Predators look to it. That just looks fantastic. All right, let's take a closer look right here. Okay, so this is interesting right here. I'm not sure if that's gonna light up or not, but it's just a wire that goes in and out of the helmet. Inside, we got some breathing area here, I guess I can call that. And there's foam so that it doesn't cut your face. Thank you for doing that. Not sure how comfortable this is though, but it does have like an Oculus strap here. Well, I shouldn't call it Oculus strap. Oculus has a much better strap than this, but wow. It's very nicely done, by the way. Not sure how safe it is, to be honest with you, because check this out. There are literally like, oh, let me move all of this out of the way so you guys can see this. But there's literally like screws right here. You see that? Like right where your eye is. So I'm not sure if that's safe or not. A little worried about how this thing right here is sticking out, to be honest with you. But, all right. So let's see what all the moving parts are. This right here actually moves in and out. So, you know, if you like anime, you know that this is essential right here. These quote unquote antennas slash wings. That looks fantastic. Yeah, that looks really, really good. And I'm guessing that with these screws right here, you can actually tighten things up. If this thing is too tight, you can loosen it. And if this thing is too loose, you can tighten it up. All right. Let's see here. There's some kind of latch system here, which I don't know why they're not using it. But looks like you can like tie more things on there. So let's take a look at the accessory kit real quick. All right, let's see here. So the accessory kit has, okay, so there's this face mask that you actually put on so that everything, so it doesn't show your face, right? So it keeps it black. Hopefully protect against the screw as well. And then there's some extras here where you can hang and it looks really cool. Okay, it's plastic by the way, shiny plastic. All right, and this is the battery. Looks like it clips on somewhere. And here's that wrench to tighten things up. Oh, okay. Some lights with some Velcro. Interesting, right? And it looks like these lights are USB rechargeable, micro USB, which comes with micro USB to recharge it. All right, let's see here. This is, you can open this, so yeah, there's batteries in here already. Interesting. It's interesting that the battery is activated already. I don't know how much juice it has left in there, but you would plug this into the helmet. That is interesting. Wonder what for, why you want to remove that. Okay. Because it's not for fitting purpose. Okay, well, I'll play around with it in a little bit. But so for the lights, it looks like the light, all these wires that they have around here, that's what's lighting it up. Okay, that's actually different than what I had imagined. I thought it was going to be like this face is going to be like LED driven, but it's really not. It's just like LED rope. That's all it is. Look at the sides right here. That looks great. And look, it's like a big old clamp right here. Maybe there's some extra accessories that I can get, but it looks very retro, cyberpunk type of design. I love it. This is beautiful. Or toy may cause damage or lead to injury. Okay, well, next up, I guess I need to show you guys what this looked like with the lights off. So let me install everything and then show you guys that, okay? This is it right here. I had to do some adjustments, but after probably 10-15 minutes worth of adjustments, everything looks like it fits pretty well. And here's what it looks like with the lights off. So I think there's different modes in this light. Here's the rave mode. Here's the slower rave mode. Here's the off. And this is just on altogether. So right there, I'm ready for Halloween. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.